Hey friends, so in the effort to constantly upgrade my Ford Explorer, I ordered some window rain guards and I'm unboxing it today. Comes in this long box, once again made in China. I would rather other stuff, but sometimes the other stuff is really expensive. Some instructions here. My only interest really in this, based on reviews, this came on sale. I just hope that the plastic itself is very durable and not cheapy. So I really don't like that. I'm sure you don't either. Sometimes they tape these things down. It's almost like they don't want you to open it. And also okay, so the plastic feels okay. The strip, I don't know how well that will fit on. The first thing I'm noticing is that I'm wondering if it would even fit my vehicle. Let me see. Okay, so it says for Ford Explorer 2011 to 2019. So this is the rear window. I would guess this looks like it would have to be for the front window, driver's side. It's flexible. I don't want to taunt it much by trying to break it, but it seems strong enough. Also, it needs to be flexible enough that it can move in the wind. This is, by the way, the one that fits on the outside. I didn't want the insert. At least I believe that's the one. Sometimes I order these things and I forget about it. Okay, you want to have some sort of glass cleaner and whatever rag to clean the area where you're going to put the wind guard. Then you're going to take it off of the plastic. And the first thing I would do is line it up before you take out the sticky stuff. Make sure it will fit in the area you want it to fit. One thing you don't want to do is mess this up. Once you're sure you have the right part for the right place, you take out that red tape. It will reveal the sticky stuff. Now, I made this video about more than a year ago, and I can tell you that these things are still stuck in place. I've read a lot of sayings where they say it falls off. It doesn't if you do it properly. You can see how it looks with the rain guards. It's snowing now, but if I need to crack my window for any reason, at least here, this part here, you can see it's already dry compared to the rest. So that's how it looks.